Good morning! Day 2 of riding the motorbike. We're on our way to the Hmong village because yesterday it started raining, so we didn't get to go. But today looks a little nicer, right?
You want to wear your long sleeve?
No.
You're gonna get burned.
Oh, did you bring it? Yay!
Hey, what's up everyone? So we made it to Doi Pui, the Hmong village. This is like our 4th or 5th time over here. But we made it here. No potholes. The ride was pretty smooth. It's pretty misty. We got some cloudy overcast over here. We're gonna go check out to see how beautiful the view is right now because of raining season. Just look at that view. All those clouds hovering over the mountains. And then the smell of barbecue meat. How's the ride here?
Not too bad. It was cold.
It was cold, huh?
Yeah. Semua tu yo. The soto Yeah, it's really good.
I know, I like this one. Lovely. Alright, so we are heading to the waterfall area. We've been here a few times, but let's go check out the view. Right now it's really bright. And where's that guy that always offer the bow and arrow?
Gạo mong có dòng gạo cha yếu rong hoa loa lì hoa cu xia yang chi chia có chỉ thoa